Good day mga kanowers! I'm Maribel Araneta aka MLA. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the button bell para lagi kayong updated sa next video ko. Today's video we will discuss about cylindrical shells, volumes of solid revolution. What is cylindrical shell? It is a solid enclosed by two concentric right circular cylinders. Volume by cylindrical shells formula. So, if the cylindrical shells rotating in y-axis, this is the formula. V is equal to integration from A to B pi RH dx. If the cylindrical shells rotating in x-axis, this is the formula. V is equal to integration from C to D pi RH dy. So in example number 1, find the volume generated by the curve y is equal to square root of x bounded by y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 and rotated about x is equal to 3. So r plus x is equal to 3. If we transfer the x on the other side, the sign was changed. So r is equal to 3 minus x. Y is equal to square root of x. Y is equal to square root of x over 2, or the power of 2. Y squared is equal to x. And c is equal to 0 and d is equal to square root of 3. R is equal to 3 minus x and radius is equal to 3 minus x squared. So now V is equal to pi integration from C to D R squared y dy times y times dy. V is equal to pi integration from 0 to square root of 3 times 3 minus x squared to dy 2 times dy. So V is equal to pi square integration from 0 to square root of 3 times 9 minus 6 y squared plus y squared times dy. V is equal to the pi integration from 0 to square root of 3 times 9y minus 2y squared cube plus y 5 the power of 5 minus 5 equals times dy. So this is the continuation. V minus pi equals pi times 9y minus 2y cube plus y to the power of 5 minus 5 over 5 and to the integration from 0 to negative integration from 0 to square root of 3. V is equal to pi 9 times square root of 3 minus 2 times square root of 3 times to the power of 3 plus square root of 3 to the power of 5 minus 5. V is equal to pi minus 9 times pi times 9 times square root of 3 minus 2 times 3 square root of 3 plus 9 times square root of 3 to the over 5. So V is equals to pi times 3 to the power square root of 3 plus 9 times square root of 3 divided by 5. So the answer is V is equal to 24 pi divided by 5. So in example number 2, find the volume generated by the curve y equals 2 minus x squared bounded by y equals 2 minus x squared and y is equal to 1 and rotated about the line y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 minus x squared and y is equal to 1. Solve for the a and b by finding for the point of intersection. So we will solve the A and B. So 2 minus x squared minus is equal to 1. Negative x squared minus 1. X is equal to positive or negative 1. A is equal to negative 1. And B is equal to 1. Find the radius R. R is equals to y total or negative y sub B, and is equal to 2 is equal to x squared minus 1, and radius is equal to 1 minus x squared. So this is the solution. Or v is equal to pi integration from a to b r squared times x dx. V is equal to pi integration from negative 1 to 1 times 1 minus x squared to the power of 2 dx, and v pi is equal to integration from negative 1 to 1 minus 2x squared plus x to the power of 4 times dx. V is equal to pi integration from negative 1 to 1 x minus 2x cubed divided by 3 plus x to the power of 5 over 5 dx. V is equal to pi times x minus 2x cubed minus divided by 3 plus x to the power of 5 over 5 integration from negative 1 to 1. V is equal to pi times 1 minus 2 times 1 to the power of 3 over 3 plus 1 to the power of 5 over 5 minus negative 1 minus 2 negative 1 to the power of 3 over 3 plus negative 1 to the power of 5 minus 5. V is equal to square root pi. V is equal to pi times 1 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. V is equal to pi over 2 minus 4 over 3 plus 2 over 5. V is equal to pi times 30 minus 20 plus 6 divided by 15. So the answer is V is equal to 30 minus 20 equals 10 plus 6 equals 16. So then times pi, 16 pi over 15. So that is our answer. V is equal to 16 pi over 15. So thank you for listening again, mga kanawers.